What's up, guys? I just want to cover this real fast. This is a big part of my income. Even if you can't donate something to help, whatever, this is how I make my money. I basically, YouTube's a fairly good size of my income monthly. If you can't donate or you don't want to, that's fine. Feel free to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, all that good stuff. But if I kept you from spending hundreds or $1,000 easy at a shop, consider me. You know what I'm saying? It takes time to make these videos. I love giving free information, but it also feels good to have my back scratched too. You know what I'm saying? So everything you need to know is in the link below. Also in the comment section, you'll find all my information in the pinned comments. And I hope I help you guys out. You can help me out. Let's get started. Going to use this to create compression to get fuel down to it. There we go. I can see fuel preloading now. So I'm using the vacuum compression to get fuel into the carb. Before I turn it over a lot. Alright, now we're going to switch over to... Oh no, is this thing dead as a door now? There's that. You know what, before we go any further, let's check for spark. I want to make sure this thing has actually got spark. I didn't do this. So, let's put a brand new spark plug on it, put it near a piece of metal, and just check to make sure we actually have spark. Just need somewhere to ground it out. There we go. Oh, do we not have spark? I can't tell. Why does it not look like we have spark? That would be a CDI or coil problem. Damn it, stay there. Jesus. Oh no, we have spark. Solid spark. Okay. Good. Spark plug still feels solid. So, should be good. Let's keep trying to start it here. Ooh, it wants to go. It almost went. So close. So close. Let's take a little bit of throttle out of this and see what it does now. Battery's almost dead again. Yeah, that's it for the battery. Alright, let me grab the jumper cables. Alright, I got her hooked up to a jump battery now. Let's see what happens. There we go. Let's see what it does here. Alright, I can't give it too much throttle at all or it'll just die. That tells me it's probably got valve problems that need to be addressed, so I think it needs a valve job. Most likely this scooter will die here pretty soon. I'm gonna let it run for a minute, but I think the gas is probably bad and it needs a valve job. But it is running. You guys can hear that. It's physically running. I don't think it's ever had a valve adjustment, and it's got over 6,000 miles on it. I'm waiting for the enricher to come off and see what it does. There's the enricher off. Yeah, as I suspected, it died almost immediately. So I think there's two things going on here. Number one, it ran, so that's a plus. It sounds overall fairly healthy, but it definitely sounds like the valves are out of whack because I don't hear them making any noise, and these are tappet valves, which means they should be tapping. The fact that they're not making any kind of chattery tapping noise would tell me that they're probably too tight, and that's what's causing it to run this way. So I think if I were to do a valve job on this scooter after I do the valve adjustment, most likely this scooter will start running better. I'm also going to replace the fuel, but that's the first crank up of this thing. As you guys can tell, it definitely runs. And it sounds pretty healthy. The engine doesn't sound that bad. But yeah, whenever you try to crack the throttle and it instantly dies on a new carb, that's most likely valve issues going on. And like I said, probably old fuel. This fuel's definitely over a year old. The fact that it's even running right now is cool, but you know, it's unfortunately old fuel. So I can get it to crank up, but I'm pretty sure it's just gonna die again. There you go. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and assume the valves need to be adjusted. So we can do that together. It's not that hard of a job. It's fairly easy. So let's go ahead and knock that out.
Are you sure this is okay? You're in country, dude. Live a little. Now she's pretty sensitive, so go easy on the throttle, okay? All right. Awesome! It's like a dream! It's like a dream! Woo!